Alright, so welcome back. Now we're ready to put our prompt into production. So how do we do that? We did the first steps in our last video where we talked about versioning and we made a live version, okay? That live version is what we're going to use in production. So now what we need to do is go and deploy the prompt. How do we do this? So you can get information about doing this in the top right here. You're going to click deploy this prompt. And here you'll see that you have 3 different ways that you can access the prompt. Okay? You can do it with our JavaScript SDK. You can do it with Python. And finally, you can do it with an HTTP API. Okay? The first thing you have to do is install the Latitude Data SDK. Okay? And here you'll be given all the information you need to programmatically run this in production. Okay? If you need more information, you can go down here and you have a link to the docs, which will explain in more depth exactly how to get this connected to your system. Okay? Now I've gone ahead and I've got this all set up and I've created a simple web application to be able to interface with our feature. So let's see how it works. Okay? So we have wristband support and we have a simple chat setup. We put our name here, which is our ID, and we're going to say, I am having an issue with my wristband. Okay. We send that, and here we have our response. We have it categorized as a technical issue, and then we have the response from the chatbot. Okay. So now how do we monitor these types of requests in the platform? Well, we go back to the platform. And now when we go to annotations, you can see here before we were just using the playground, but now we can actually go here to the production section. Okay. And you'll see that we have this request we just made. Okay. And here, all of your user requests will end up categorized under production. Okay. So now we can go here and we can actually continue the reliability loop in the same way, but now with logs that came from production. So now that we have production logs, these are what we need to use as their ground truth for the future. The annotations should come from production logs as a priority because production logs are the most similar to what you're actually going to see in real life because the production logs are the best indicator of real use of your product. Okay. In the next video, we're going to be finishing up the reliability loop by looking into how we can optimize for cost and latency. See you then. Bye-bye.